Hello and welcome back to my vlog. It's been a minute. I definitely took a very large break from YouTube just to kind of like regather my will to do it. I don't know. It can be very draining sometimes, so I was just giving myself a healthy break while I focused on other parts of my job like TikTok and Instagram. Oh my gosh. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna try to get back at it because I feel like it's super fun. I've been filming mini vlogs for like TikTok and stuff, but I do love a good classic talking vlog and like showing everything. And I've also had messages from you guys saying that you miss me on the vlogs, so hello, we're back. How is everybody? I'm just kind of getting through my day. I don't even know what time it is. It's almost 10:30. I woke up super early and I have so many things that I need to get done today, but I just feel like the past 2 hours flew by and I have no idea how I let that happen. So kind of next up on my list of what I need to do is pack up a couple Poshmark orders. If you guys aren't following me on Poshmark, definitely do so because I'm doing a major closet clean out like every week, listing like 30 new items, like so many things. And then I need to grocery shop. I need to shoot some outfits. I need to shoot some TikToks, and I really want to shoot a campaign tonight I have for a wine collaboration with Donna Paula, but I don't have the exact concept like in my brain yet, so I'm hoping that the visual will kind of just like come to me throughout the day so that I can execute it tonight for dinner. Yeah, that is my plan. I've already kind of vlogged a little bit today and I've been like making a mini vlog on my phone, so I'll probably just like sprinkle in the little tidbits here and there. I feel like that could be fun, kind of like integrating more of that like quick aesthetic style into like a longer form vlog video, because I love the two and I feel like they could just like come together. Okay, I have no idea where my phone went, but I'm trying to build outfits right now and I've been selling so much my clothes on Poshmark, like what I just said, because I'm kind of just like re-envisioning, I don't know, like what I like and what I feel like wearing, and I want to make sure that I'm wearing things that are my personal style and things that are also like comfortable. I kind of noticed that sometimes I'll like put on an outfit and I think it's super cute, but I don't quite feel comfortable in it. Like the picture turns out great, I love like wearing it for an hour, but then I'm thinking like, would I actually wear that to go shopping around the mall in, or would my feet hurt, or I don't know. Like I just want to like make sure I'm always a little bit more comfy. So, and I'm kind of realizing that I don't have very good like basics for winter. I'm just gonna do a little online shopperoonie. And okay, I'm cooking my lunch now and I'm gonna show you what I've been eating like all the time lately. So first, like roasted or like fried up kale. I'm making some for Dale too. I hate how much kale shrinks. Are you hungry a lot or just a little?
A little.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Roasted kale. So these are my chickpeas. Avocado. Or just splitting one that we already had in the fridge, like a half of one. Not in the vibe right now to like make it look really cute and aesthetic, but I will show you after still. And then this dressing is my favorite. Okanagan's original. I also love the Caesar one. Okay, then tzatziki. We're kind of like almost out, which is tragic. All crispy. Okay, final reveal. And voila. Shout out to my sister Shaylin because she showed me a rendition of this. This is like my own interpreted version, I think. I don't know. Kind of forgot that I was vlogging. I just noticed like 10 minutes ago there was a huge fire up on the hill, but they put it out now. Tell me why. It's still daylight out, but I've convinced myself that it's too late to shoot content. It's because it's 3:51 and the sun officially sets in half an hour, but in winter, golden hour is like non-existent. And I just know that as soon as I like figure out my location and the vibe, it's gonna be too dark. It's like beating myself up because I was so freaking lazy since like 11 a.m. this morning now that I don't know what I've been doing. It's just one of those days, and I guess I talked about this on Instagram, and haven't been active on YouTube until now, but I did get COVID back in December, and I feel like ever since then my motivation and like energies has been like pretty low. I've decided to try to film my campaign that I was talking about earlier. This is my setup. Here's a little behind the scenes moment. I'll put the inspo pic. This is what the brand sent me, and obviously this was taken at a restaurant, so I'm like, I can't really do that at home, but let me try. This is our bed right here. I stacked 2 end tables. Oh, be nice. 2 end tables together, put a tablecloth on. The tripod needed like a flat surface, so that's literally a shelf. This is what I'm working with. Oh, not bad. My only problem is that it's not bright enough in here, so I need to do flash, and then flash is so like, so I don't really know what to do, but got a little cute top on, and I'm just like playing around with it to see what I can get, if I can get anything done for this for tonight. Do you want some? Are you sure? Good boy. Shooting my campaign went well. I'm super excited. Although I was looking at my feed after editing the photos and I was like, shoot, I still have the post from a couple weeks ago with the same company is like right there because I haven't been posting to my feed, so I really need some organic content to like pull through and help just like make my feed look cohesive, because I don't want to just be only promoting one thing, especially when it's not fashion, because I'm mainly a fashion blogger. Anyways, I think the photos turned out super cute, and now I'm at Staples because I'm gonna print out some labels for my Poshmark orders, and then I'm gonna drop off my Poshmark orders, and then I'm gonna get my grocery shopping done. So it's already 6:45, so the day is kind of like looking back up again. Usually around this time, if I'm home, I feel super defeated, like the day is dead because the sun is gone. So I'm happy that I pushed myself to get out of the house, even though I was supposed to be out of the house all morning. Yeah, my days don't always work out like how I planned them to, so it's just me pivoting and trying to make the best with the time that I have, because this winter is just so rough. Oh my gosh, it's so dark in here. So I started doing my nails at home. Like, that's my natural nail with like a gel overlay and then some French tips. They're like not perfect, but I'm slowly buying more and more stuff so I can do them. And my little nail drill just came in. I'm so excited. And I bought a new like base color that's like a little bit more like of a natural nudie pink color, so it's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow night. Okay, dinner tonight is veggie Crunchwrap Supremes homemade. So this is like a vegan ground beef, but this is like real queso cheese. So it's just a vegetarian meal, but you put like the tostada in them and then you wrap them up and fry them with all this stuff. And they're so good. And there she is. Stunning Crunchwrap, except for she didn't close all the way.